What's going on, guys? Nick here, and this is a blizzard, and it first started around 1:58 to 2 o'clock in the morning yesterday. No, today, sorry. And this is how it is. I was up all night tracking this on my computer, and it's very, very windy, and if you want, I'll go step in the snow to show you how high it is. Then I'm gonna go in because my foot's gonna be frozen because I don't got socks on. So here we go. That is up a couple more inches and it'll touch my knee, go up to my knee. So that's already a foot or two. So this is terrible weather, but I love it because I'm the weatherman. And obviously you're not going to be able to go onto the internet and type in weatherman and see my picture of my face on there. But I'll try to make an internet thing for me. But this is what it is. And this is all. It's supposed to be. It's going to stop at least by 4 p.m. All of it, all the snow. But the wind is going to go until Saturday. But this is all going to freeze overnight because it's going to be down to like 6 degrees, even down to 0 possibly. So you could see the Christmas trees of just how much the snow has grown over that. And my phone's soaking wet. I'm hoping it doesn't just explode in my face. But all this is just a disaster. After today, it's going to be mostly disasters. We have people, I don't know who they are, obviously they're like strangers, but see in the car, the truck that just went by, if you saw that, they do the sand on the streets to make the snow and ice go away, and there's other people that shovel for us. Meanwhile, I shoveled at like 6 o'clock in the morning while my grandma was inside sleeping, so I had to be quiet. And I shoveled this, guys, because I just felt like doing it. Maybe he had to go somewhere and he had to step in all that snow. I felt bad. So I used this shovel. The one lady right here, the car right here. Where are you? Put my finger right there in that car. She took this shovel because she was in a hurry to get inside, but stupid of her, you have to shovel before you park. So she took our shovel. She didn't steal it because I was watching her. She took the shovel, shoveled it, threw it on my grandma's car. So then I had to go back out, shovel that, which I took all the snow and toppled it onto her car. So, and there's a big mountain of snow behind her car. So you see this video, next door neighbor? There you go. You don't throw snow onto my parents' cars. Okay, but that's the weather for today, and I'll make another video tomorrow. And yeah, it's all blustery. Oh, this phone's getting soaking wet, and my foot is numb. Both of my feet are numb, but I'm shaking. But I don't care if anybody doesn't watch my videos. I know my family members watch them and they laugh at them because they're funny. But, yep, so, man, look at that. I hope that person, I'm sorry about the shaking, I'm just freezing. One thing I would love to do is shovel everybody's parking spots. The ones that are emptied. If you could see the ones that are emptied. Because if there's somebody that has to get in, coming back from the store in a hurry, they don't want to get stuck in snow or get into a car crash, which I don't want that to happen, then I'll shovel that, and then I'll make sure that there's enough space for that person to get into that spot. But I'm freezing, so I'm gonna go back inside. I just tripped over the rug. This snow they better come and do something about this, because this snow is drifting up so high that it's gonna make it over my head soon. So, yeah, that was being sarcastic, so. And I went onto the internet and tried it about throwing warm water into the air and making it into like a gassy cloud thing, white cloud thing. Did not work. It went straight down into the snow and melted the snow. But if it's like -6 or even negative like 12 or something, then you could try to do it and see if it does that. But it would have to be negative. It would work at 0, but it would not work at like 6 degrees all the way up, because it's not even that cold outside. Like, people are gonna be like, are you crazy? There's a blizzard, how is it not cold? Well, I'm not cold because I deal with the cold. I love cold. I would take my leather jacket off and jump in the snow. Yeah. And these aren't even thick. They're thin as can be, so I am freezing. So, that is the weather for today. I hope everybody enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. And that'll be it. Bye.